ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to Yashaswi Kannada Vaani YouTube channel. In the last class, we had learned about the did, the usage of a did not in Kannada. Ivattu, today we learn the usage of a don't in Kannada. Do not do this, do not walk like that. So we'll learn these words in Kannada. Okay, let's start. The first very simple one always I will take is don't do. Don't do is pannade, mat karo, and in Telugu I don't know, so please do comment in your languages, native languages, in Malayalam, maybe Bengali, Odissi, Telugu and all. Do comment, even I will try to learn from you. So don't do in Kannada is, I'll write the colloquial version, not the written version. Mad Beda. Mad Beda. Okay, this is singular. If the person is younger to you, you can use this. If the person is very well known, your friend, you can use this. If the person is a stranger and the elderly person, then please do not use this. Instead, you will say Mad Bedi. Mad Bedi is with respect. So it's basically verb plus either of these words. Madbeda or madbedi. So instead of a sounding at the end, just put e sounding, so it will become a with respect. Similarly, however we had used in the verb cases, madu, madi, nodu, nodi. The same concept is applied here also. Even if you want to say don't watch that movie. A movie nodbeda. That movie, very important. I've been using this from very long time and I've told you the usage also. Whenever you have to say that movie, that shirt, that dress, specifically a movie. If you want to say this one or this movie, then it would be e movie. Okay, so don't watch that. Don't do that. Don't do like that. Here, like that. Andre, that remember yavaglu aatara. Aatara. Anda mari pannade. Ustara mat karna. So like this. Ee tara. Don't talk like this. Ee tara matadbeda. Talk is matadu. Talk is matadu. So matad beda. Matad beda. Don't watch. So don't say. Don't say is helu. Don't say anything. Try for this. Anything is enu. Enu. Enu helbeda. Don't ask anything. Ask is kedu. So I'm not writing everything. You have to make a note. Please maintain a book every time whenever you watch this videos. Maintain a book and write it down, each and every verb and sentences I keep saying in the video, so that you can frame the sentence and you can translate it and send it back to my mail ID, or you can even comment also. Okay, so don't ask anything. Ask is kedu. Next is don't send email. Don't send email. Email send mad, complete it. Next, don't call me now. Don't call me now. Now is iga. Now is iga. Today is ivattu. Don't come today. Don't come today. Don't come today. Today is ivattu. Tomorrow is nade. Tomorrow is nade. So here L pronunciation is very important. The tongue tip has to touch upper part of your mouth. Now is iga, or sometimes we also say ivaga, which is completely fine. Today is ivattu. Tomorrow is nade. Don't go tomorrow or don't come tomorrow. Okay na? So there are many verbs like this. For you can use it for close, open, drink, eat, run, walk, anything. So try Madi, and if you have any doubt, do let me know. Comment section ಅಲ್ಲಿ mention ಮಾಡಿ, and make sure to complete the sentences which is being done in the video. Also frame the sentences. Very important, you have to sit at least for 5 to 10 minutes every day and work on the verbs most importantly. Carry a sheet of a verb. I've already shared a video in YouTube itself. So use that video sheet. Keep, or you can save it in your mobile or take a printout of that, or you can write it down in the book also. Keep that sheet with you always and start working on these kind of sentences. I hope ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ or ಇಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.